If you haven't swapped your lawnmower blades in a while, or if you notice it's not cutting your grass as well, it's likely your blades are dull and you need to replace or sharpen them. The good news is you don't need to replace them every time. In just a few minutes, you can restore the cutting edge with an angle grinder and a flap disc. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, if it's bent, cracked, or missing large chunks of metal, it's time for a replacement. But if it's just dull with a few small nicks, sharpening it is all it needs. Today I'm using an angle grinder with a multi-grit flap disc set from WorkPro. Flap discs are made from overlapping layers of abrasive material, so instead of cutting aggressively like a grinding wheel, they remove metal more smoothly and leave a cleaner finish. They also wear evenly as you use them, exposing fresh abrasive along the way. Now, if your blade has some deeper nicks, start with a 40 or 60 grit disc. For routine maintenance, a 60 grit works great, and if you want a smoother finish, you can make a final pass with an 80 grit. Anything finer than that is usually unnecessary for mower blades. I use a 60 and then finish it with the 80. Now, before getting started, you should definitely be wearing safety glasses and gloves for this. Sparks are going to fly. Now, with the blade secured, start the grinder prior to touching the blade. We're only sharpening the existing factory bevel. You're not changing the angle or sharpening both sides like you would a knife. It also doesn't need to be razor sharp. This isn't a utility knife. But with the grinder in motion, press it flat against the blade and make smooth, lengthwise passes from one end of the cutting edge to the other. Let the flap disc do the work. There's no need to force it or press down hard. You're just kind of lightly touching it at the same angle that already exists. You're only removing enough metal to restore the edge, not reshape the blade. Now, one mistake to avoid is overheating the blade. Don't sit the angle grinder in one spot. The steel can discolor and lose some of its hardness. Keep the grinder moving, use light pressure, and if the blade gets too hot to comfortably touch, let it cool before continuing. After sharpening one cutting edge, rotate the blade and repeat the process on the opposite end. Remember, mower blades have two cutting edges, but each one only has a bevel on one side, so you're not sharpening the other. However, afterwards, you may notice a tiny raised edge on the back of the blade called a burr. One or two light passes on the flat side will remove it. Don't sharpen the flat side. Just remove that raised edge or any metal that may be protruding. You can see the comparison of dullness to sharpness with this string cutting. Success! And that's all there is to it. It's an easy task that can help you save a lot of time while mowing and a lot of money from replacing them. So I hope this was helpful, and if this video helped, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more DIY home and tool projects. Have a great day.